What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers, J-Speed fans? There's the primary part number and the secondary part number. Primary part number that matches secondary part number. Doesn't match, but they're the identical bearings. So these are the wheel bearings, number-wise. So you get them from, four-wheel drive parts store, Gopher bearing, any local manufacturer bearing should have these bearings. And these are front wheel bearings for 01 to 03 Toyota Prius. Generation 1 Toyota Prius. So, hardest part about this deal so far is trying to get that snap ring out. Wish there was some magic. I'm sure somebody knows it, but corrosion control, huh? So front right wheel bearing 03 to 01 Toyota Prius Generation 1. Those are your part numbers for the front wheel bearing. You can't get it apparently with a hub assembly and everything anymore, so hopefully the hub's not bent. Thanks for looking. Peace.